Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Anissa Sulastri. I will tell you about the 13 material on advanced English reading. First is recount. Social function is to retell events for the purpose of informing or entertaining. Generic structure include like orientation, event 1, event 2, and event 3. And the last is reorientation. Significant lexicogrammatical feature. First is focus on specific participant, use of material process, circumstance of time and place, use of past tense, and focus on the temporal sequence. Secondly is spoof. Spoof to retell an event with a humorous twist. General structure is orientation, event 1, event 2, and twist. And significant lexicogrammatical feature is focus on individual participant, use of material process, circumstance of time and place, and use of past tense. Third is description. Description to describe a particular person, animal, place, or thing. And significant lexicogrammatical feature is focus on specific participant, use of attributive identifying process, frequent use of epithets and classifiers in nominal groups, use of simple present tense. Fourth is reports. Reports to describe the way things are with a reference to a range of natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment. Generic structure is general, classification, and description. Significant grammatical feature is focus on generic participant, use of relational process to state what is and which is, use of simple present tense, and no temporal sequence. 5 is narrative. Social function is to amass, entertain, and to deal with actual or vicarious experience in different ways. Narrative deal with problematic events which lead to a crisis or turning point of some kind, within a turn finds a resolution. Generic structure is orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. Significant lexicogrammatical feature is focus on specific and usually individualist participant, use of material process or behavioral and verbal process, use of relational process and mental process, and the last is use of temporal conjunction and temporal curriculum. 6 is analytical exposition. Social function is to persuade the reader or listener that something is the case. Generic structure is thesis, arguments, and reiteration. Significant grammatical feature is focus on generic human or non-human participant, use of simple present tense, use of relational process, use of internal conjunction to stage argument, and the last is reasoning through casual conjunction or nominalization. 7 is explanation. Social function for explanation is to explain the process involved in the information or working of natural or socio-cultural phenomena. Generic structure is general statement, explanation, and conclusion. Significant grammatical feature is focus on generic, non-human participant, use mainly of material and relation process, use mainly of temporal and casual, circumstance and conjunction, use of simple present tense, some use of passive voice to get them right. 8 is discussion. Social function is to present the point of view about an issue. Generic structure is issue, argument for, argument against, and conclusion. conclusion. And significant grammatical feature is focus on generic human and generic non-human participant, use of material process, relational process, mental process, use of comparative, constructive, and consequential conjunction, and the last is reasoning expressed as verb and noun. 9 is procedure. Social function is to show how something is accomplished through a sequence of action or step. Generic structure is materials, need, and step 1 until n. Significant lexigrammatical feature is focus on generalized human agents, use of simple present tense, often imperative, use mainly of temporal conjunction, and the last is use mainly of material process. 10 is hortatory exposition. Social function is to persuade the reader or listener that something should or should not be the case. Generic structure is thesis, argument, recommendation. And significant lexigrammatical feature is focus on generic human and non-human participant, except for speaker or writer referring to self. Use of mental process, material process, relational process, and use of simple present tense. 11 is anecdote. Social function is to share with others an account of an unusual or amusing incident. Generic structure is abstract, orientation, crisis, incident, and coda. Significant grammatical feature is use of exclamation, rhetorical question, and intercipient. Use of material process to tell what happened, and the last is use of temporal conjunction. 12 is news item. Social function is to inform readers, listeners, or viewers about events of the day are considered news story or important. Generic structure is news story event, background event, and search. Significant lexicogrammatical feature is short, telegraphy information about story captured in headline, use of material process to retell the event, use of projecting variable process in search stage, focus on circumstance. And the last is reviews. Social function is to critique an artwork or event for a public audience. Such work of art include movies, TV, books, plays, opera, recordings, and etc. Generic structure is orientation, evaluation, interpretive, recount, evaluation, and summation. Significant grammatical feature is focus on particular participant, direct expression of opinion through use of attitudinal lexis, use of elaborating and extending clause and group complex to pack the information. And the last is use of metaphorical language. Thank you for attention. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.